Hello there and welcome to this Power BI project. In this video, I'll take you step by step on how to carry out a Power BI project. Your first step is to gather your data. It could be from a web server, it could be a JSON file, it could be your flat files like Excel or from a SQL database. Okay, so once you've got your data, the next step is to clean up your data. Okay, in this case, I already have my data, which is the Adidas sales, which I got from cargo.com. It's a website for data scientists or data analyst practitioners. You can Okay, so here is our data, and the first step of carrying out a data analysis project is to explore your data to find out what is wrong with my data. Is it clean, or am I having missing data or anomalies in my data? Okay, and then first let's check for the statistical analysis of our data, and to do that you can click on any of the columns, and then at the bottom side here you can see the average value and then total count of the rows, then the sum of the entire rows. Okay, and then to confirm that, we can use a shortcut which is Control plus arrow down, and it will take you to the bottom, and then you can see the entire data set is 9,649. Okay, and then to return back up, we can use Control plus arrow up to go to the top. And what you want to do next is to check if you have a blank cells within your data set. And okay, we can go with Control plus A to select all, and then once you've selected your data, what you want to do next is just to go to the data tab. Once on the data tab, just navigate to where we have data tools. We want to do a circle invalid data. Okay, so what you want to do next is select remove duplicate, and then just leave everything as default and click on OK, and then you can see there are no duplicate data in the entire sheet. So what we can do next is go to our home tab, and then what we want is to find blank cells within our data. We can click on the drop down arrow and then select go to special, and what you're looking for is blank cells. You can click on cells, and then as you can see there are no blank cells within our data. Then you can click on OK, and then there is another shortcut for it, which is F5. When you click on F5, you're going to have options, and then you choose special and you check the blank box. And in some cases, some people don't have, in some cases your F5 might not work, so you can use the alternative, which is Alt G, which is Control G, and then it will pop up that box. You can select special and blanks. Okay, and then so there are no duplicated data in our data. So what you want to do next is explore your data to get familiar with your data, and then you find out what is my data about. As you can see, we have price unit, units sold, total sales, we have the operating profit, we have the sales method. Okay, and now we have an overview or an idea of what the data is, which is a sales data. Okay, and then I'm done with my data cleaning. So let's move to the next phase of our data analysis. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.